How to make money selling AI art while you sleep. I know that sounds like something a guy in a rented Lamborghini says before trying to sell you a course.
Here in my garage, just bought this new Lamborghini here. Fun to drive up here in the Hollywood Hills.
But stick with me because this is actually real. It's actually simple, and by the end of this, you'll have everything you need to start. People are quietly building six-figure businesses on Etsy selling digital files, not physical products, not a warehouse full of stuff, just files, little downloadable files that people print at home. And before you say that
sounds too good to be true.
I get it. I said the same thing. Then I looked at my bank account and stopped saying it. Here's the basic idea. You use an AI tool to create artwork, you upload it to Etsy, and then strangers from around the world buy it and print it on their walls. You don't ship anything, you don't touch anything. The file just delivers itself. It's beautiful, honestly. You could be on a beach, asleep on your couch, or sitting in the most boring meeting of your life, and your shop is out there making sales without you. That is how you make money selling AI art while you sleep. And I'm going to walk you through exactly how it works, step by step, from I have no idea what Etsy even is, to why is my phone buzzing at 3 a.m. with sale notifications. Spoiler, it's a good kind of buzzing. 5 steps. Let's get into it. Step 1, make your shop. Head to Etsy.com, sign up. Yes, you need an email. No, you cannot use your dog's email. Use yours. Once you're in, click your profile icon and hit Sell on Etsy. Then walk through the setup flow. I'm not going to read you every screen like a GPS that doesn't trust you. You're a capable adult, but there are 2 things I want to flag. First, your shop name. This is a big moment. Your brand lives here. And also, you can change it later, so don't spiral. Pick something that sounds like a real shop. Bonus points if it includes a word like prints, art, or studio, so buyers immediately know what you sell. One seller called Lexington Prints pulled in nearly $50,000 in their first 5 months. Could be because of the name. Could be because they posted a ton of great art. Probably both. Either way, Lexington Prints did not take 3 weeks to name itself. If you're stuck, ask ChatGPT. It will happily spit out 40 name ideas in 11 seconds. Use it. Second, your payment info. Link your bank account, enter your details. Yes, Etsy needs to know where to send your money. This is, in fact, how getting paid works. Once you're done, and I mean actually done, not I'll finish this later done, celebrate for a second. Most people never even get here. They watch videos about starting businesses and then go watch more videos about starting businesses. You just started the actual business. That's different. That matters. Step 2, add your vibe. Now your shop exists, but right now it looks like an empty storefront with the lights off and a single tumbleweed rolling through. We need to fix that. Your shop needs 5 things to look like a real business that real humans trust with their real credit cards. A logo, a banner, an about section, a shop announcement, and FAQs. The logo and banner don't have to be fancy, they just have to exist. The about section should tell your story like a human, not a robot writing a cover letter. The shop announcement should sound like you. And the FAQs should answer the questions buyers will definitely ask before they even ask them. This is what separates a listing someone stumbled upon from a shop someone buys from and comes back to. The difference is trust, and trust comes from things looking intentional. Here's my real advice on the About section. Be honest, be human. People are not buying from a faceless corporation. They're buying from you, a person who makes things. Lean into that. It's your unfair advantage over every big brand that forgot how to sound like a person. Step 3, generate your art. Okay, this is the fun part. This is where AI does the heavy lifting and you get to take credit for it. I'm kidding, partially. Go to midjourney.com, make an account, and pick a plan. If you're just starting out, the $10 a month plan is plenty. Don't overinvest before you've sold a single thing. That's how people end up with expensive subscriptions and 0 products. Once you're in, click the settings icon and set your ratio to 4:5. This is a tall, thick format that crops easily into popular frame sizes later. Don't overthink other ratios. 4:5, that's it. Write it on your hand if you have to. Set stylization to 100, leave weirdness and variety alone, because those settings are for advanced users and chaos enthusiasts, and set your version to 6.1. The newest V7 is great, but has more of a learning curve. Start with 6.1, walk before you parkour. Now type into the Imagine bar. You can write literally anything. Moody forest at dusk, oil painting style, vintage botanical print, soft watercolor, neon tiger in the style of a Renaissance master who really got into cyberpunk. Whatever you want. The more descriptive you are, especially with mood and emotion words, the better your results tend to be. When you get an image you love, upscale it. Right-click the image, click Upscale Subtle, Wait about 30 seconds and you'll have one high-resolution file ready to download. That's your first product. You made a product. It took maybe 4 minutes. Step 4, image and file prep. Now you've got your art file. Beautiful, dramatic, ready to hang on someone's wall in Ohio. But you can't just upload a raw Midjourney file and call it a day. You need 2 things. Thing 1 is mockups. These are the images shoppers see when they browse your listing. Your art displayed on a wall, in a frame, above a couch. Think of them as your storefront window display. They're doing most of the selling before a buyer even reads your description. Make them look clean and premium. There are plenty of free and affordable mockup packs on Etsy and Creative Market. Just search and you'll find hundreds. You can manually drag your art into each mockup in Photoshop and save them one by one. It works. It is also approximately as fun as filing your taxes. Thing 2 is cropped files. Your buyers are going to print this art. They're going to walk into Target, grab a frame off the shelf, and need your file to actually fit it. So crop and resize your design into the most common picture frame sizes. Things like 4x6, 5x7, 8x10, and 11x14, at high enough resolution to print sharp in large formats. 5 versions of the same image, all sized and ready to go. Once you've got your mockups and your cropped files, you have everything you need to build a listing. The hard creative work is done. Step 5, upload and publish. This is the final boss, and I want to be honest with you. If you're doing this manually, it has a few steps. For every listing, you need a title, 13 tags, a description, product images uploaded in the right order, your digital files attached, a price set, and a quantity entered. For one listing, that's maybe 10 to 15 minutes if you're fast. For 50 listings, suddenly you have a part-time job you did not apply for. Here's how to make it manageable. Use ChatGPT to write your titles, tags, and descriptions. Take one of your mock-up images, drop it into ChatGPT, and ask it to write you an Etsy-optimized title and 13 keyword tags for a printable wall art listing. It'll do it in seconds. Edit as needed, but let the AI do the first draft. That's literally what it's for. Batch your uploads, don't upload one listing, then go do something else, then come back. Set aside a block of time, process multiple listings at once, build a rhythm, get into a flow state, put on a playlist, make it a thing, and keep a consistent naming system for your files. Future you will thank present you for this. Future you is out there right now screaming, please just name the files something logical. Once everything is ready, upload your listings as drafts, review them, and then hit the most satisfying button you will ever click. Publish. Your shop is live. Your products are real. Someone somewhere on the internet can buy your art right now while you're watching this, while you're asleep, while you're stuck in a meeting pretending to pay attention. The machine is running. You are now officially making money selling AI art while you sleep. Here's the full recap before you go. Step 1, make your shop. Get it set up, link your bank account, pick a name that doesn't stress you out. Step 2, add your vibe. Logo, banner, section, announcement, FAQs. Make it feel like a real place. Step 3, generate your art. Midjourney, 4:5 ratio, version 6.1, be descriptive, upscale what you love. Step 4, prep your files. Mockups that sell the product, cropped files that make buyers' lives easy. Step 5, upload and publish. Use AI to write your copy, batch your work, and get those listings live. That's it. That's the whole thing. Everything after this is just doing it more, doing it faster, and getting better at it over time. The biggest difference between people who make money this way and people who don't isn't talent. It isn't some secret niche. It isn't a trick they're keeping from you. It's that they actually finished the 5 steps and actually hit publish. So go do that. Your future self, the one waking up to sale notifications, is waiting. And if this video helped you, hit like and subscribe. And if it didn't, well, you can still subscribe. We can work through this together.